Image Translation app. Here is how to use the Image Translation app. When the app starts, the user is requested to log in. The login screen is very important as it sets the database password. This password is critical for database encryption. Follow the rules in making sure your password is difficult. Check the password rules by clicking on this button. Enter your username and password. The first time the app is used to set the database password, you will need to click Start twice. Once logged in, the app starts with the main menu. From here, you can access all the app's features. Those are as follows. The main menu. Starting from top left and moving to the right. The Settings button. The Settings button is mostly used to allow you to change the app colors. You can change the background color and the text box colors. Colors are changed by clicking repeatedly on the background or text colors so that the app colors are displayed. The color buttons are cycling, meaning you can change colors by clicking on the button multiple times until the chosen color is seen. Once you like a color, you can stop cycling. The password button allows you to save all your passwords to the database. The read button allows you to read the database and view all saved data, biometrically controlled. The delete button allows you to delete any data that you have stored. The download. This button allows you to download the chosen language. If you keep your finger on it, the app will ask you if you want to download all languages. If you say yes, the app will download 57 languages. Wait for the download to finish. A message will confirm completion. The email button. This button allows you to email the data to yourself or to a recipient. You must have a mail client on your device to do that. The speech button takes you to the speech screen. More on that later. The save button stores the data from the most recent photograph. The translate button. Before capturing an image, you have the option to modify the language settings and save the edited picture under a different file name. The language button. Click the language drop-down to select your desired language. Do it before taking the picture to save the chosen language. The camera button. Click this button to take a picture. Other main menu features. Click on the number of records to go to a view that will show you the data in a table format. Click the top image to access database view and browse your data. We will now explain the speech button. This app has a dual purpose. One is to encrypt and store your data, and the other is to allow you to communicate with other people that do not speak your language. This is what the speech button is for. The speech screen menu. Starting from top left and moving to the right. The stop button allows you to interrupt speech once it has started. The load button allows you to load a file into the top text box. The file should not be too long. Files supported are text, Word, Excel, and CSV. The listen button. The translated text is subsequently read aloud.
Translated text will be shown here.
Turn the mic on so that you can speak. The email button. Email the data to yourself or to a recipient. You must have a mail client on your phone to do that. The download. This button allows you to download the chosen language. If you keep your finger on it, the app will ask you if you want to download all languages. If you say yes, the app will download 57 languages. Please wait until the download is complete. A notification will appear indicating that all downloads have been successfully completed. You do this while you have internet access. This allows you to use the app in offline mode when internet is not available. The translate button. After capturing a picture, you can modify the language and save the picture under a different name. The spoken language button. Click the drop-down spoken language button to choose the language you want the text that will be later translated to be in. The spoken language text will then appear in the box titled Spoken Language Text Box, top text box. Translation language drop-down button. This button is used to choose the translation language. This button effectively takes the top text, spoken or typed text, and converts it to the chosen language. This text will appear in the bottom text box labeled Translated Language Text Box. The orange button is not used during this app release. It will be used later for saving your conversation. The green plus button enlarges text boxes. The red minus button enlarges the text boxes. Volume up. This phone button has the same usage as the speak button. It allows you to turn the mic on. Volume down. This button allows you to do both, translate, and then hear the translated speech. There are two more screens that you need to become aware of, the read screen and the password screen. The Read Screen menu is accessed by clicking the Read button in Main menu. Starting from top left and moving to the right, the left arrow cycles through records so you can see the picture and text. Date field shows the date the picture was taken. The right arrow cycles through records so you can see the picture and text. Delete all records deletes all app data. Table in the middle. Click it to see the data in a table format. Click the picture to zoom in and out. Next, we will review the password screen. The password screen is accessed by clicking the password button in Main menu. This table is used to enter your passwords. Example, you can enter item name, e.g. laptop 1, password, my first password, password, my first password, password confirmation, optional, my bedroom laptop. Starting from top left and moving to the right. ####1. Locked with pen, item name. Used to enter the password item name. Example, laptop 1, door code, bank login. There are two passwords in the screen. One is used to enter the item password, and the other is to confirm the correct typing of the password. Passwords fields 1, enter the password you use for that item. Passwords field 2, repeat the password to ensure accuracy. Optional field, describe what you're entering a password for. Example, my bedroom laptop. Read, click to read the saved data. Find, look for your data. Do a search by entering the item name. Backup data, this item is currently not working. Delete all records. Delete all records in the data table. Enjoy.